First thing we do is to take some micellar water and wipes and remove the other lipstick carefully. Then we go back in and apply some lip balm, because no matter what, lips must be moisturized. So then I went in with these two lipsticks from Ezekiel Cosmetics. The darker shade is called Injideka and the lighter shade is called Killer. You want to kind of be fast with this application, because once these matte lipsticks dry, they will not move. And after blending, voila, this is beautiful. You can't even tell that we applied nude first. So tell me, which is your favorite? Is it the nude or is it the red? Vote in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Bye.